Akiaria hindi ya kigomano gya kumenyithania acirithania na mitaratara iria iguthara mahinda wakini wa tabarira cia MAAI mwena wa Malindi kaunti ya Kilifi. Minista wa MAAI Alice Wahome augite ihinda ni ikinyu ruhonge rwa magoti na ministry no icarie kihonia gya gutura hari gutuithania ndung'amano ciigie marihi ma migunda iria yaneanwo ni muingi wakini wa tabarira cia MAAI gwata ihinda riria ndung'amano cia muthemba uyu ibatie kuoya.
The delays, the why it should be in a specific place, they must seek to see the project as their project so that the case for ownership, we strongly speak for that, ownership by the communities and the impact that the proposed or the constructed project make even on the values of their lands and how some communities can even donate or contribute community land to host projects. Wahome augite kwa ihinda iraya ruhonge ruru rukoretwo rugikuithio murigo wa kwa gukinyanira kwa motungata ma utambia wa MAAI indi magoti nimo makoretwo magikira ihingica na iguru wa uguo mbeca nyingi ikahuthika kwa ihinda iraya na imwe ciacio ikorira uguo tuhu. Going forward, the cost of this project, Kenyans should know the more we inflate, the more there are loopholes regarding the costing of projects. That affects them because eventually they are the ones who pay for the projects. Kwa muhiano waki wa demu ya Darugutu ya mwigano wa bilioni 13 uria warugamirio ni igoti ukoretwo na nguranio kihiri cia aikari kwaga kurihwo migunda iria maneanire o nginyagia gucungiriria mirurungano ya mahinda kwa mahinda no riu Wahome ugite kuri na kamwene ni tabarira ino ni guthie na mbere hatari mihinga o yothe amu ni mararaniria na aikari. I think what was disturbing the Darugo people where the new project is that there is a good case that some compensation for Karemenu is not yet complete due to budgetary constraints, but the figures, the amount of money are agreed upon. That is a debt charged to the national government and my ministry, and we shall be dealing with that. But we had agreed that it will be progressively within an agreed period. Mucirithania mutabania igoti-ini ria maria maturigiciirie Justice Oscar Ngote augite kigomano giki ni gikurehe umithio mu matanyite guthomithia acirithania mitaratara iria ibatie kuheo mwari wa mbere niguo gwithemana na kuharagana gwa tabarira cia utambia wa MAAI.
The court now has two divisions. There is one division which will just deal specifically with environmental disputes, and we have now strict timelines within which those environmental disputes are going to be dealt with. Actually, it is now a requirement under the new divisions that environmental disputes should be dealt with within 6 months.
Giribotera KAMEME TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ MACIRA wa Ndũng'ũ.